Alright, karibu na ndo mwancho murigereria somoro birio bwege ikaro kama kawa kama dawa alitukolia Jumapili igoto gukwanira chinkwana au tungeti bunege saku nawe kurigereria siasa yaito ya Gusii abageni bane bayikiraiga nuruji bakorolekana biyega kabisa cameraman yanera abaorokiga tatuko bali bagabe introduce yegato chake nkwana straight. Karibu sana abashimiwa na ndemye muna soko nyora chingaki na gocha aiga ase studio ya Getembe tigancha kirega abu okwania Abagusii baito ende nachi okwana nasabu kwa bere nakuruka BBM lakini rende BMM.
Asante Dennis. Nje samaria dangoro kwa Boss Mairo aro mu MCO Masimba Ward wachori ni chama ya UDA na aliaze bunge ya Kisii County. I am the whip of the party.
Okay.
Asante.
Ekiranja. Mheshimiwa, welcome.
Mbia mono. Nchama rieta nguru kwa Henry Moracha. Omo Jumbo Basi Central. Oigo the leader of majority ye county assembly ya ito. Bosi yate ba chorene chama ya UDA. Nche chorene chama. Chama nene chama ya ODM.
Chama nene chama ya ODM.
Bwana.
Karibu sana. Nomo gokone kuba nainuga igase studio na mbeye mo inuna basaye mukura abantu baito bakaba trust n'uburai mukubara nande Gusii yaito asichikura cyage to 2022 ntu akorete generational change abange bacho reto nigo bareke goriyegeke. Mheshimiwa Boss, ebuko yagoteba nga enjoy your youth ayabona muno kwara sabiru ya midterm to gukwanira inki uratebya abantu gwa observe as generational change gatuwa chorete especially as Gusii yaito kwa jumla.
I don't know what you mean, but I think
ubura ibweke goriyekiga compared na bali barachore tubarabane na akase myaka chinga kichia magega.
This is the best cohort.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, I know you give me time to speak what you have been able to do kitu akola as a county, especially as a ward ya Masimba. But na bega ni rintebe na ndi ngo confirm na keko generational change ngiri go change in time soon. Even in 2027 expect young people to take over.
Yes.
Uchumbe which constituency yao, which ward. It is a change that is there to be maintained.
Yes.
For quite some time. Wakagamba gambe miaka yonsi. You know, even the president is young, he's relatively young.
Yeah,
he's not ajazeka. So this generational change is something I encourage because yabasa nabu ndio nguzo ya jamii. Yeah.
Thank you very much. Mheshimiwa liswali ili might be na kiura kwa negro ya generational change.
Mbia mono. Ege saku ege kegi achorwa ase chingaki especially chiaboniga. Njetinda robo bebuabo. Ege nto nda sabe valitura bake. To ege chimbwa. Abagaka bali no balinga bagaka. Uburayi bwabo mbwalinge style gete mbwalinge burayi bole bubi twege chimbu cyabo bono kitwairwo burayi emanteye tokolega asiengia wetani bune ibakolete nalio abantu barayige nabasaye totagie tiko kolega tobaete abanda barachake ngaliro lia bagakambuya kubwa abasaye lakini I believe egas twakolire negas tolengerere tikokora we have to be a step ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Kogenderera guchimutwe asige kagichi wiki chaitira ngebire isato twarolere elected leaders especially from National Assembly bagwitana na chinsemo ao bakuri ntukurukanga economic empowerment bako changira abantu bana boda bangina kiango chikanisa gocha ama tukabira yadire umujumbe okapseret Moscow Kasudi nere na korete gento bunekyo ase constituency yae iga ya Kapseret nande ni manyete inu na mure chiboys bunanko baruka more up to date nese bintu buna bigo korekana ase mitandao karo kende umu director na kuruga ali tuchesera nge clip ekyo gichipija chiri chia kore tugali ya Kapseret onye ko kenyora koranche tuchesera nge clip ekyo ingeke tukirigereri asti second. clip ikike gutaraga abu gekoro kichigari metungi nero chimashini cyo sibi chigari chitinga chipower so kianga mabere nga yuchikane chi mabera maburi ayo kerekemo nera kayiruka economic empowerment asa maoni ya mheshimiwa Boss Mairura kompe angeyo nechi economic empowerment chia kolirugusi ase period ye chiwiki bere chia yarire go seisatu tuchakire South Mugirango tuchi kitutu cha Chenot togende Nyanturago yere Nyaribari chache togende bo machoge aso mheshimiwa Alpha Kore yabwangoiga nechi event yichonse abagani bago chambali bali bakura uno mu deputy president Muske Kithure Kindiki
Denis Nganchere ntebe na mheshimiwa Gorokosi Kasudi igakora the exact ringo chokora kagero na umuchumbu Nyaribari masa. So I don't want to comment much. That is a very good thing. Everybody applauded it and that is it.
Biamono mheshimiwa
umanyete boss yali chama ya UDA and they will not speak exactly what I may speak.
Yes.
Ebintu abajumba babagusi bagokora kulingana na abarora matiangi uchire. You know boni kumugusi etore na matiangi. Which is the right thing. Injende chama ya ODM. Yes. Lakini party leader anatara kana ngata ku support matiangi and we are telling him ache ODM tomo echikura mune presidential candidate. Because abajumba babe chama yabo umuske baus kwa raba kuminyoka chikanisa round bachaka baguchangia banginanga nebyombe buna bono nyali baliga na South Mugirango omungi nako 200 shillings ekaroba bagani chibesa chiri chons nganere youth empowerment economic empowerment bakunyeruka yani bao kore bintu gete byobochinga iba ne itamit to koreta deputy president
ria kararuzi iri gwatubikire riga
tima etinchira kindari replace lakini rende yani ba kora rende na reply na the replace and I apologize for the same.
Yes,
the replacing ba kora ebintu gete bitayo.
Thank you.
Ba kora the deputy president.
Yes,
ba changia bantu chibesa ebyombe byache binge bamanya konyoranga ebyombe biri byache binge bakomongi na 200 shillings inga jiri bale gocha tuno entu aba MCA bosi manye tagenda mazimba abe kabangi na baliamo na bakuba 200 shillings patari gocha ne chindege bagobeka chindege amabuta mange bacha ko mongi na 200 shillings ejini nyimo kibozi mambi akogenda abaye atumiete gari yemo abaye mbawe na 200 bagura matunda rende zinge jona rara nyale kugora lakini oligererio Kasudi pairukanga ni professor bali bate bus Kasudi tasometi oligererie gento Kasudi akolete elinero economic empowerment and I applaud umungwano oli onko bate bikurubon onyamba konyora bintu biri babwate birios Kasudi aletete.
Yes,
batige bintu bya inga economic empowerment babitigere gali because abegete goli getere igoro onyamba konyara gakitika batige
batige gwesokia
batige gwesokia.
Okay, biamono bine birengerero bya baheshimiwa mwanje muri onyembono gutusangia Ngetembe TV murubiri bwege ikaro abana baheshimiwa kurwa sense moya mwino yobegete mwamu no musikimura cha uyore a majority leader asikia magio DM asi counter assembly ya Kisi no musike Boss Mairura uyore ekiranja gikia makeria kia UDA. Mheshimiwa Boss.
Yes.
Asi economic empowerment yichi abaire tigankwanire specific ya Mugirango abuase umujumbe Osoro ari oyo mino usare colleague ase party ya UDA noneka National Assembly na ikore County Assembly ekere ya Mugirango ya beta ba MCA bachieti abari bachieti mbabiri batatuboka bari nominated ngokwana Mheshimiwa Dolphin Bwari Celestine amona Edna ayabune majority ayabune whip yekiamagia UDA ego mutariko ari kubinte biga gusemu bwate disconnection gete gati yaba igabono bara na musio banenda atebe na inuga gusama chaya gete naro. What is not happening?
No, you know nani Dennis.
Yes,
and I'm sorry, I expected to discuss here mangana Kisi County event here Mugirango ngi Boss Mairura chikokoro
obo amat mbro no mugusi.
No, you know it has not come to my place. On 13th,
Yes.
donya na wangite ya Nyaribari masa ya Kisii County, lakini onyere entire seito, but yanye begete ichuni ward. Even that I may not attend because it is out of my ward. You know, I serve abantu ba Masimba.
I know.
Ingingo jigokora bwirang.
This word riana neri. Obu amatemboro buya between leadership ya national
No, let me tell you.
Yes.
The game ya siasa nengo sana. Some of us we have been there for quite some time. Nechi chama nechi pata mangana we structure. If there is an event ye deputy president, we expect we have some communication.
Yes.
Formal communication. Actually, I'm supposed to get that information. I convey to my members wa UDA. If there is no such information, you don't expect me to appear. Honestly speaking, why? What do I gain? Nothing.
Ma thinking of a specific as it is where in Indasur. No a vocal member of the county assembly and the Kwegirikia Makiao.
If the party doesn't know that, let's do this, Dennis. Let us discuss our president in Kisii County is Governor Simbarati. Let us discuss what we have been able to do as a county. Scorecard, because that's what you have written there. Jenaja to discuss Kisii County, because there UDA squeeze, you don't know where is UDA, you don't know where is ODM. Nobody knows. They are one thing. So it's the same thing. Why was he not there? Because we have a broad-based government.
Okay.
This is a budgeting month. We are busy doing the budget of Kisii County. To very serious kuangia Kisii County chia next financial year by the end of this month 2025-2026. That's what we are doing now. Time ngaingoje kuruhusi ngoenda machoe. The member of parliament has not invited me. The party officials have not done any communication. So why am I going there? So mimi naomba tuongee mambo ya Kisii County na mambo ya Mukisii. What have we been able to do with the leadership ya Mugabana Arati? Kitu akolire bubasi, kitu akolire Nyaribari, specifically ngina akolire Bwana Masimba, no yakuwa ningi akolire Bas Central. And I think that is the scorecard.
Ekera tu ari guchakira serikali ikosekere regime iga yachagite mwategeti over kiro muntu kero mwa Soweto County Assembly ali nkuwaringe critique kia Governor Simba sana. Kwaringe very vocal. Si video chinde nimbwate. Lakini oga all of a sudden gwakirire for long. What happened? A wise man knows when to talk and when to keep quiet. I'm a wise man. What I was doing initially, I was trying to ask the governor for development for my people, which he is doing. So what can I talk? As a county, as a ward, he's doing them perfectly. Actually, because whatever I'm proposing, he's doing. So literally, that was politics and that was concern y'abantu bane bamazimba. I was fighting for them. Nare kubona gabana tokorereke. But I didn't understand he had his own plans and pace. Now that he's doing those things, which I will be able to mention later on, yes, I don't have anything to speak against the government. Thank you. Mheshimiwa Muracha, Basi Central, midterm, biri mwanyariro kora na ndibu na Mheshimiwa bosi ate bankoni turase financial year end. Scorecard yawe ya Basi Central honaiga. Imatenga mbire kuwa koliro already, ebinde mbire in the public domain. Majority of what you've done mbire in the public domain. In just one or 2 minutes. Totebi ngunga ebirenge libyao bono numwako yugogosie kubweke serikali. Bilikuwa rachi bilibyano nawo kuligere rwate banje buno muntu nche buna Muracha abantu bane nabakoleire keneke kiliore very proud of as achievements ya mbire bibi
tiangire ribagere ngoira ndimbya muna sokumburi swali elio nande ebintu nakolire abantu bane baba Central babiroche senge njombi kolire budget ekarotoko so abunge etokoegwe budget kiro mo MCA 27 million. Ichina chitoko controllers MCS. Tuatebi kuchibese ichi. Ayo ku budget kwali kange gento getenko korukere, but we are not the intali tutoko enda tuabikora direct. Executive ekura uno Governor Simbarati nere gukora. Inchege ntongo propose na teba ndageta mache agachwa segete. Ondagete nyagitari agachwa segete. Ina regasiane. Of which chipara chialinge budget nabegete chipara isano tayari epare kuru busingi ekuru nyakiana yaenda busingi yaenda nyoera yaerire abantu ngutumeka bari epare kuru maji mazuri ya ekuru kupenta yaerire epare ekuru omobondo yaenda suguta SDA yaerire epare ekuru kuburangi yaenda nyationgongo yaerire abantu mbagenderete kutumeka boni ge pare kuru asa kuru kunga emenwa TBC
yes
emenwa T buying center oende mpaka nyakona T buying center twakurire kunye igora twaganyete mbre yake erigere grade gu echake kokonya abantu baitu ebe kwa morom epare kuru wo musabi yacha mpaka nyakona TBC yaerire wiki ye buna togo so wiki ye contract ngo soere pare kuru kunyamware yoka egorugetare egenda mpaka nyamware yoka dispensary wiki ye buna togo so singe njoni maite contractor ya iruri rube ngo soere pare yo nech para chinde chons chiatigaire
yes
in the forward budget including almost kebos ndori kor baranga to chokora pare gete etwago rite pirakita we are 1.6 billion accounting kima bone pirakita ebyo murajango imukana agende pale litara kuru ward yane isinge njonto bwata mafuta 5 million no morom nagenda na biragita na betaika guga chigari no chire ne biragita no bire toros pale chinde chons chiatigaire nande ni maete nchiroro na roseti bune pale kuru nyomenda chigari chiemete na matofori chigo etasare tente chiabutoira makarabati we are going to fix them in the forward budget togoja nyagitari ya itibonge nyagitari ya ikenya nyagitari ya burangi chiagachiro itibonge ye tokonyeruka kegoche singe nchasa inare kegoche nyagitari ya agachiro kegoche ye tigareti kwa kwirangi nechi time ikenya ya 100% na burangi ya 100% chichake kubekwa malio nyagitari ya ito ya maji mazuri ngubekerwe equipment nyagitari ya ito ya nyamware ngubekerwe equipment nyagitari ya itumbe nero ngubekerwe nyagitari mbwate nyagitari sita ward yane bono jigo chikoba plus nyagitari yeto ya nyamache nene no ere ward yane last financial year ntwanye 30 million a contractor no ere site ekobeka mpaka chitae ekobeka mpaka cabros imebaro si nyagitari eri yabebuya na under this financial year umugaba no tomentre 30 million tonye bekere equipment pake mocha eri bekere equipment so that idaraje eri arenge mata arige koigorwa onyoranga ni nyagitari ya igore rurimo abantu baminto bakonyekere negeti kyanya match stadium na kero kintu akebekerete 33 million erigere to kerosi abantu baita at least none team ya ito ya Shabana yagendoro ya train abantu banya match banyore opportunity yo koligereria team ya Shabana ke gokoraki ke gochiesa
be mono musho
to goche bintu bya match a match na ari nya match nyagitari na sogetia match ayo nje no muske mutume abantu baito banyore gutumeka tukanya soke kurunya gitarime asoke isiko abantu baito ngutumeka bale ni maite mparanyora bonse lakini in the forward budget ntorre tukunyabeka maji mazuri obisiana maji naro orige sima amacha inabegete 2 million in the forward budget ngonya soke ndi kuruoro asanara kuru kwenchoro atabuga ati maji lakini amaji nara ali mitwororo kale no muske obure nabegete 5 million in the forward budget tosokia macha iyo tonyaira abantu baitu benchoro batumeke gogocha se sa macha iyo asakuru kubosansa burangi ikenye na itumbe bya muchama ntwabegete nabegete 5 million ebisima byalimiru lakini bone problem ebisima bikoremwa abantu baitu kwanyora they are the same people bagutumeka macha inje muraja nanya kwa nanje gutumeka macha maybe rinkaro bisi once nalinda atumeke lakini most of the times abantu baminto no bagutumeka kwanyora umuntu naroro okogenda obuture pipe zinge njatari go support muraja obutura chi pipe chia maji nganja go punish which is not me njenda atumeka macha iri tukelimo lakini yare no agutumeka kira lituko so I'm asking our people at the same time litokorosie bintu toko biroranga ne bya muraja aina mali ya serikali muraja ta ko bero forever no nyemba litokuri gichikura na barabu tigabate bya abantu baitunga egento kikia bekiru ne ye serikali bagisike mambike konye gesa kuyeitu Arsenal na alikuwa gache obis akuru kuitumbe primary ikarona soete 2013 baadhi abantu baba central na banta baya banchorete kimbwate miaka 21 2013 ye ngataka kwagachasa akuru kwitumbe primary office abantu baito bakatebanga to kwagacho buri mubo mbwata kiri kwagacho office which I agreed enyombe ye gatigarira nchira bakaruzi pagekera mabakaira lakini renda to Rwanda ndetire kenyore ekyo ebata yetempa gachire polytechnic which nasa bitomu gava na 5 million ongeire in the forward budget e polytechnic yagachu abana baito basomeroro.
Okay, ndengi kwe kwatumikire chidake echubuya kwirwanirire nandi ko inform abantu baito ndaracha so mwishimiwa boss mwancho murienta te kumanyinga ase nambegire gabwa se kona ye screen yao gendra kundikira chiu jumbe ndo chenjige ndrete go chaga ega abashimiwa ba kero kene no kuru basi centro kero kene no bwate libolio utagete kubolio mwishimiwa gose no kuru chinse mucha masimba ndikira ujumbe tobe togosanga bono gaiga na abashimiwa ba baito bare ase studio. Mheshimiwa naye in the spirit yeye mheshimiwa tumekiri karatu presenter naye scorecard yao.
Yes, thank you Dennis. Diganja kira mwana ye chipara chito njeke ona soete oisi masimba bantu bano masimba moyo bana no bawo confirm na mbaka igure character ye kuruma masimba tugachake bare kurukuria character masa bare ye gakorwa kabikwa moram tugakore bare kururia bigutu ria maturi ria birundu bare yo gakorubya abanda bakayimukire mebere bare wekero mundasirire bagwetweka bamana wigia so munda uchikoino nanye bege chibesa usasi program ko tukabwate like this time round ejebe kwa mora mubabe ebe improved ngabwate bara korur ria michok ria mugaka ekoenda paka ramasha nane ye kachite paka riango gega kuna boda sa manza abasigisi bakare bare yumbiyere kabisa ande no era si program ya maintenance in the forward budget tukaimuka tugasoa sakuru kudiuri ria encha tukalime bare kwenda baka sakuru kuya mandera sabaga bandabu bane bari uri mbana korra para I gave them a road e bari gakorwere buya bakare aroiga e bari yu ega nane resi program ya maintenance this financial year 24-25 etogosieka e bara masimba musisa amasimba riuri musisa e bari ya remiru e contract ngo bekero moram before the end of this month e bara ya ria mosero ria pius e bara ya remiru e contract ngo bekero omoram before the end of this month e bara ya ria mugaka nyapara ibere e bara itrar koru kolime contract na ro yoyo mogokora am sure nango nyakorare before this week etraera na irechebe kuna ndo moram e bara koruma kwenda ria getanda enda St Mark yagenda kere Marion Tiri ebare ya remiru eganyete ebe kwa maram it's the same road ya connect baka enda sakuru kubenya kondiria tumbo the contract is supposed to call excavation because ebare ebe as one road amangana ye ya match we have done 16 water springs abitajo no meta bantu baito lisabumari abanga bakwenda roje banta abanga sana bakwenda roje egetacho lianya yemi egetacho lionyangure egetacho enchoro egetacho musobeti lia mongare liombongi ebitacho bikwada up to ebitacho 16 kere kenyoro nare ko kere kenyoro to chamangana ICD class construction njeno na so busy the former government yako even one single classroom in Masimba. It's a sad story to a colleague class ya St Mark contractor yako taken last week aganye teka moke akole painting as we are talking today ekerazi ngende tari to primary school ke kire lintos I'm told dinner before the end of this week ngo kire roof na kebeke jibesa for completion in this forward budget ekerazi na to kwa moniga ngegende te musa construction ikire lintos na kere guchimutu mbele forward budget aike roof guchimutu na bako kubegede jibesa kirangi yakwirangi kibe kuchitai abana bayito basoma za Arabia the same contractor nkorare kerasi rio ira nkorare kerasi Ramasha Primary School those are ECD projects to what na chira Ramasha tuagajire maternity complete na nyibike chibesa 2.6 million ejeka equipping in the forward budget Metembe dispensary we have done a new dispensary there na tukwa na boniga ntiles bagende tukubeka bakore bake chirangi gochimutu na bike chibesa ebekeru equipment Mosisa we have done a ball through the county government and the World Bank and the Red Cross, a complete, fully reticulated and equipped borehole. Abantu skuru ya musitu aramaje primary and secondary ne kenyoro kya abantu bane bonyagatani na Mosisa banyora maje bakonyo. What I can mention bia korwa se Masimba is a lot of work. Masimba nyagitari matene twing arenge dead abangina bare kuiborera ase nyagitari tabatiro nyidirisha. Anyi chiumbu jiko baroma I think mo je clip yo ndabe gita Samuel one time. That hospital we went there, we did a placenta pit, we did chidirisha, we did tiles, we did pasias. I will engage I engaged the governor akabeka 10 million for overall improvement of that infrastructure in this forward budget.
Okay.
A lot of work has been done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Habana abashimiwa baitono na wigwetekero yo mobuna kweresere scorecard yae ndo chago tebanga kefungaga kurbas Central Ward era kare kupongezwa mu jumbo ye babwe amuske muracha tebanga nice job honorable muracha kare kontebya ganga tano tena ege karobwa irira abantu bakisi Central ntotaketene ntwere tumweshimiwa munyanya tutebiniki akorire kisi Central kiagara chipara tubwate gisaregete injira yo gukumya nabondo cyakare kuri birengera biyaye ntoje tomorete Jackson Samuka kurwa Irondi Ward aba MC abo batigecece niko barama niko barama arati amatuka mange ekara barangeri go bakaya gukende bono niko bakomojia serikali saitani ashinde batiga majesa ayo ine birengera biyaye Morris Mabire kurwa Basi Central. I support Henry Muracha for the work he has done, but on roads he has copied Kasongo stories. Some roads are impassable, especially Nyoera Lianyakiana Road. Ine birengera biyaye duchena bakare ko tebaigo tiga motebi mungwano yubo DM bagendere ko mubwate sematiangi. Okay, kero ya munage ntukulike birengera biyaye gendera ko ndikira cyujumbe go chagaye ko moncho murigeria tobe toko kwanira alia alengetie egesa kugiito na baye kurigeria magenderero kwa jumla abayishimiyo mwishimiwa Muracha amatukati karete ko genda chikura na bara matukange 700 na gwetani na abonye kendi Johnson kego change lakini tuwaligere ibunegesa kukyumo gusi abantu baitaba amate bamatayiga luo Nyanza banyorira magenderera mangi sana kurwa serikali ya broad based banyorire sana Governor Siaya omuskorengo moisonde nara aite timu bakura wano pia wandayo mu waziri bakagenda State House onye amaina tate kuri unit yumusi aibuno murayo majority ngikegwente ko korwegera nendo turaranyore bindu kurwa serikali kiagera kero madaraka de yaba matalia mu women rep no governor wo mabei musubati wanga akayarese binte serikali yabakonyire uchiyo namagendera litoro cyarase public domain ine njiranire tura achieve nendo turanyora magendero gocha sabantu baito tutarangiya gukwanira siasa cya 2027 ngikira kuri umushime
mbia muno onda githikora iraniria agaswali ngari kwa buria gwathe muntate wange para ya nyakiana mpaka Nyoera tirigweteka okorwo mundu ya kale amenyete Mombasa ipari inero ya rosiwa this financial year
yes
ebekiro more to standard egweteka and it's possible abantu bana baba Central no bali they can confirm that ngoirorera riswali kwa mbulia ngakitura kole tonyore bintu kurwase serikali ya current tutaragenda serikali ya 2027
in fact tutarira ni riswali elio to benefit rikini yos kurwas broad based gabunegesa kukyumo gusi cyakira gabo umayiko gendera bono buchimo
tinta getiko tebanga broad based twa nyenyorere nturanyora matunda ebuya what we are asking umuskera ila molodinga ntunegesa kukyumo gusi especially nje na akeirera ile kura nanya waka kura ndons nande nje no muntu podium nande nje majority leader ye chama ya ODM nande ndararusi kubo secretary we chama nje secretary general ye chama ya ODM we are requesting umuskera ila molodinga amaskaniali abagusi bamwete nere abamaskania yo nkingotebera yo no muske governor Simbarati nere deputy party leader ya ODM onku musaba bagende baikaranse ne party leader ya ito ya chama ya ODM bakwane bamanyengigesa kukimugusinge koleteki nkero tutarate bamatiangyo itongo chale 2027 serikali yeyororo ntubwate stake singenjo ntutu achorete Raila nechikura chinyinge 265 million na papa boss bakamenda 135 million pone singenjo twaro getu broad based tugachamu chikurecho na para barigereria mugusi ntutagetegetikia ndege igetikia ndege ngire sune kamate gaiga. We want Raila baikaranse na Ruto batubekire chibesa abantu bali bagote bangirani wiyerenge they can buy off abantu bali bali gali babakane chibesa toroseri gwigeti yeito gas tukiroje gotoira guchinyangoso gali nganto chitubekire gwigeti nyangoso mangana inje tari kongira biya igento kindi ya kabiri etauni yaito maiga chipara ngonyorore ikisale gitisana pare chi buna ntubune serikali ye county tari ntuto bwenete guchikora national government yebwenete gukora ki ebwenete gukora tigebe ke chibesa ororo tunyare koros para cheito abantu baito barubuya bono bairana asi chichiro maete kisheria ejile devolved to the county government.
Yes.
Lakini bono kwanyorere nanda bajumbe bebachire no bakwenda baso chichiro ime bate banga baretri chichiro which is not their function. Omujumbe ogotene na boronge tigatenene usoro na chief whip ye chama ya UDA bono na chief whip ya Kenya ngima Jafet Nyakundi nere treasurer ye chama ya UDA abuna barayi baitu nto basigete nande nto bayata maskani tigapa ende bakwane no muske William Ruto baligereringa inki bararete gusi ekia kwarora omuske Ruto gachite gaiga Christmas kerki aerete akagenda garuguru tukarangerigwa tukaragira ndagire ngia sana by the way lakini tugataka tukwane amangana erigero muske Ruto aigu atoe bintu pagatebanga muntu onde murayo onde bwensta yo kwana no mojumbo soro gokwana arangerie president ikwana. We could not get a chance to motebi what we are thinking about lakini ariko nyorari baga we cannot ko motebi nga toretere bintebi takwane tikende yons tukaragira bantu bagatenga gotere kuwa kasongo tukamotika karara mbuoye maambia kaimuka akagenda mabei akabaye stadium ya 500 million ekere stadium ya ito ya Busongo eyo uru atoeta 100 million paka bono besa njia nyako koraki njia nyako soka okuno gochao konene sana saba gusi no nyembono dinde lionsi ndio tutaka kwetia etika bono nya bagutuita batuite togenda na matiangyo ito paka ngoli
sawa bia mono mheshimiwa boss I think it is well in a really to benefit rikenda technology
bia mono ne bagukwanira na umuntu kwanda akorosia Nyandusi Polytechnic. Okay. The contractor is on this has been given a letter of award. It has a good project for the community. The anteveiga even to be a national government, sometimes I always want to avoid or discuss because I'm a member of county assembly. We have something to go point to Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Chiro Ramasha is almost 70% complete. A serious market by the way. It's the same thing Masimba. And it's a serious project. Now is about 7% complete. You know that will open up economic of that region. I think the national housing project nerekerwa. So to me I think otrute bintu bike specifically nje kuna Masimba. I can proudly say that I don't want to talk about igoro ya abagere benefit oseki, but the truth of the matter omugusi onde bwenzi obwata kire okora bongo bokoregas we have to support Matiang'i abagere ngo support bare Ruto nani Raila. Is there any problem? Is there anybody who has castigated them? aba ikoyo batwaramba bwatu muntu betu begenete useri kichiboni. Before we talk about the formation of the next government, let us have our own kingpin also, because that is I think where tutikarete maya tubwa muntu kukwana on our behalf okwana gera okwana oni nse yamanyana omugusia okore ndukie acha na hii kelele ya sisi vijana ndogo ndogo tunafikiria tu mfuko yetu. We just think about how we father our pockets. We need a kingpin na kira aserio wi koruwa Nyamarambe paka Riamichoke paka Itumbe oende mpaka Transmkwende Machoge ruguru kiro muntu agotena na indu Matiang'i twakore gintu kiki and nobody should scare us bwana muntu tatogosa sisi hatujasaliwa jana we are behind Matiang'i. When 2027 comes, we will now be sitting on the table. We will discuss who takes the next, who takes the state house next. Even if we will now realize na president, at least we could be having a voice, a skill and organized. We are running behind Matiang'i, not just because he is it is a vacuum for quite some time. And I urge all leaders of good mentor basugu momo ntoboyo omo na turasi kumnegesako. Hii mambo kila mtu akona mtu yake. Hii ni story ambayo inaleta aibu. And I say that I'm not saying that no support president. I campaigned for William Ruto in 2022. I'm the one who brought UDA in Edward Masao. Before anybody else atara join yoro. I even opened an office. Ngamnya kubopena wasigari. I am a member of UDA elected. I never signed anywhere that I would not talk about Matiang'i before 2027. The only agreement is that I'm a member of UDA until 2027. After that, nobody knows where I will be.
Okay.
I may decide to go UDA. I may decide to move out. But talking about the community interest na mheshimiwa my senior wakwana is very imperative.
Okay.
And I heard na mazima na wadebi that boniga to NCP otoroma hata na ikira ya vijana ndogo wanapiga mtandao. Mtu anaamka asubuhi ana discuss vibaya juu ya Matiang'i. If you ask him why, he doesn't have anything else ataingia kumbuni. Psychophants, which is I'm not for it.
Do you feeling about Yango was chief to the unit of purpose?
We will. This time, let me tell you for free. I'm not a prophet, but if Matiang'i maintains the way of one year, I will see the people of Kisii will be united like 2002. Okay. Trust me. I have heard people speak about it. I have engaged them and people are saying, and who am I to oppose?
Okay. Kiagera ko mubumu gusibu hararo siguna barayi guchimaga mtuana konyora to go achieve paka baika bata aba gusie tonga mase. This
is organic. We will achieve it. Unless you're Roman, you're not to let it down.
I think for the first time, I'm agreeing with my brother in politics.
Yes.
For the first time, we are asking even leaders, but let us put our differences aside.
Yes.
Matiang'i. Story ende biasara ibago thenga maraga mbaro usengo na roro, that is neither here nor there. Omuntu tubwate Matiang'i. Abantu mbaro bago doubtinga sometimes baikabateba simparati ngo support yale Matiang'i. I'm the majority leader we serikali yumuske simparati, and what I'm talking tingo kwana bosi aneta kole tiki
etari aware
na igento togokora direction sia toko tokubwatie gente kiongozi gitu keko tote. Nobody is against Matiang'i. We are all supporting him. Again, take nene kiro mugusio legaiga. Twakoreirwe cheche sana. Umuske boss na kwa nga bintu mbere bya Ruto twa realize ekero umuntu agutwagakira nga affordable housing kwirende gali ekerubononya nani nguboli to kumanyororo. Affordable housing chira keri nyanjwa gas kiro umuntu agiroche uranyore nyumba yechibas chinke wekonye. Pono umuntu aire nyumba ekerubogali iga town inji akonya gukwana ngana chachirete mbiasara kibono tokote nge chiro ne agacho ngai umuntu agweta ikere chire ima masimba mali bozi no muborera atakorara masimbe sengenjo masimba natambe sana ngai yara ikere chire chim ebichire ngale igale se itomate bo basi ngai nguikera kanga barete tebinde biga abosongo askero umuntu aroche chipara chingia tube cru street lights chingia genda omabeboniga gusogende Kisumu ntokonya gotereri kunga tubwate si umuntu lioka lakini kogocha gento ngeyo se itoka igatokoleteki tororo. That's what I'm asking. Kirumugusi ole kerensemo abara imba chaka gutwetani abara itiga tutige bitina toigwane turamanya asimatiangere etokumubwate 100%. Ebiashara binde byansaiga byo governor byo senator byo women rep turatiga nande na igubos ogotebanga umuske donya nere nakabwate women empowerment mwaro kebinde gosenki
nabwate tare 13
tarehe 13 ichuni umaete donya no muspati onyomire bonchari nekero tu achore to senator etu atebete bugitutu obo governor bubasi obo speaker bumachoge ngaki mondara imukinge ndaire so basa iboire atiga banchari ire buoye umanyete sometimes na bonchari yente kingira akoro so I'm asking bantu ntobeke bintu bibe personal tiga tutegerekero mugusi egento tokorra burungi nandi bali bagu advice ntotage tutoetane kisiasa ngabono donya ali side yeye simbali side yeye onyonga ali side yeye tiga to chamo tokore gento kego konyo mugusi tutige bitina kero tubwate siasa and I'm asking supporters baito bara tige bitina kando eligere tuikaranz bono bune budget ye boss yate batuko discuss maambie senate ne kale gaiga ngo chakubuli bara maswali abande mbaronyi wete babangete ngachi contractor chiche chichororo chitebya ba senator banga batutebi to akane pending bills. A senate has got its job according to constitution. They cannot come wache go to lecture batutebi ngabono colleague ntekene chinguru. We are an assembly just like them. There is nothing there bago chago to mono nga ngware bintu bago kolinya mira o pali bagwa nyamiro pali nga bakwira ba MC Nairobi nga baji kubatebi mu speaker obonobo
yes
speaker ya nyamira ego choruna ba MC ba nyamira buna ga ige county assembly njengo ikaransa tori na boss ya budget committee nduma yete bintu tobege toro muntu tayugo chago turasmisa nga beka keli oseruzi keli iga masking leaders baito patu arobo toereru babara ibaro bischingaki tokore gas no murembe.
Okay. As in Dennis,
yes, Mheshimiwa.
My leader, I think about them angana Chiro Masimba deserves. Chiro Masimba metentu abata ka market yali shade. Shade tu. Ono mo president di corona biato Chiro liato it is deserved. Alafu mambo ya donya kupeleka event ichuni. For me I don't see any problem with that. You know she's a county MP. She can decide to put this event anywhere as aramwe. Unoro je nyali bali akobeka bana baragwa bali geti chuni ako bako ayibo iroro. No ntura nyali bali masaba be. Ntura kana mbuyati ya na ibo so. The woman rep do anatafuta ebiombe koruso muracha bobasi. Because that's the truth. Ebike korubonjari bike korubogirango bike tari nyali bali yo karentera and hii mambo ya bosi hapo dai ngatoje to ende ramani rugora ali sikawa nyali bali alina abantu bonse bachama and by the way this is a leader because you are the leader of majority bwango ikirega wana kuongea let him call for breakfast meeting
yes
for the MCAs members of parliament including the women rep wachororo senator for just a breakfast talk. We talk about this abakusi because I know he's capable of doing it so that dollar ngwero tari go discuss ya mangana yomukusi and the title will be Kisi Unity Talk. Simple. By the let me tell you the truth by the monda batena ntori amo. Abantu mbaramu akini abanda batanja ino. Uwanja nataka kwa ndio that is the truth. Abantu mbanja ino.
Okay.
And the simple question njengo beko jimutuga iga. Abagera bari maiga ya raira 100%. Iga inki mtu mondara tukaneli ntoa maiga yomundu. Honestly hata kama akili ya mtu haifanyi kazi na mtu ambaye amejitokeza anataka akae kiongozi wa Mugeusi ni Matiang'i. Irregardless na tuwale kwende birombe atara tuwale ebyo tokumurusto murabi arabeche tumubekere butu.
Okay.
Somebody who can speak on behalf of us. It is very important. Me as a politician I can tell you I have seen abantu bakwande chikomite chikondo murimi just because batabwa di umuntu kubakwane and na aba bakugamba banene they take advantage of that division among us. Bagora bake baba amanoti kwanya oro muntu akore kwende project which so boka. Do you know in Yabal Masa we don't have 10 kilometers of way ram and it is 2025 the only road to bugate hamne bare kurumazimbe kwenda so boyo basi ejete kigoris ubure bare tena professor ngere there is no any other ram
Okay.
So omanogoto taina mtue banga lazima tujipange.
Muske bosi okwanire gente kia sana bana Muracha. Igoro yoko teba ng'umugavana muske Paul Simbarati a convenient breakfast meeting nandu umane mbulinga nabwate capability. Gavana agoteba ere no monogere bwo mugusi. And as at now nturanyora murai onde buwensio convenire meeting buni yo ekolete gesakwamo muwaziri narangirie meeting ende Nairobi ya Kempiski wakaenda some leaders waka complain sana abandi bakateba ati guisiko barangiribu ayabuna majority leader matha no muntu monene sana anu murayo monene ore sana se council assembly akisi na anima itenga ngwikiroro mugabana buno muske bosi ateba nkimuko mu advice igoro yegente kia tukuna kurigite is unit of purpose
tiangire ndi bageri nkwera ndi swali kwa mbori swali ya sana for the first time as umugusi totarateba unit of purpose yeye kwarora umuskema tiangiga soka ngobori ari bu president kwanyorire abajumbe bande baito na kibaja kira kolete keke kia women kia economic empowerment not because they want to empower abantu baito eba ukereta just kurwani muskema tiang there is nothing bakote banga economic empowerment nesegi babuyate gutatika patari gotoro kinga nesegi again totoko basaba barabuti gabatolete chibese cha economic empowerment lakini mba atulirie takora muskema tiang ikikaro kindo goiwana negento kende abarai abatari ngeto etaine kero muntu abwate interest yae
siasa
ya siasa lakini bono kitwanyorire interest yemo ebwate tubwate common agenda
yes
yo muskema tiang I'm also talking to him and I've heard him nerengo kwanari the same we need to come together numugusi tutware common agenda yo gusukuma muskema Fred Matiang'i together na rura reta unity because governor is na ro monogeri bumugusi by the taringa aro achorire akahewe gutwa na roro mone tukumusaba na erende ne gutu singenjo na ronye bwate aturangiri 20 yamo kuna barai including ababande bale chama yende erigere to karanse to igwane na bali bajire mbachaka kuramu muskoli Fred because ntoje to ikechingaki muntata nyare gukwana rietharia umuskema tiangi bobe because gokurikwana mugusito goten so if they are not supporting him tikabakanye ke pole pole gustoba tumeka ngora
okay Morris Kurumabiria akuru Morris Mabiria kuru nyamache maji mazuri Honorable Henry Muracha is arguing facts I super him fully. He's really a leader, turn of fresh, and bonaro na rengo pongezara ega. Korua bunyanga ndenya kona basi Central Ward. Epali korue tundubali ya nyakona. To principal maina mpaka buo nchiri nigere mbepi. Muracha should think twice. Let him stop giving false promises to people.
Iyo kwanire bya sana. Epali ye yari ere sege tunukere. Nje na igorete pare 2013 nga igore para etanya ko igore that is a new road na igorete asalikire ebwanete ko iroru in the forward budget ninyo bekerete chibesa nago denga twagurire biragita I'll fix it ebe muntu to koros para John spirit kelimo you have to move ngirene banjorete miaka 5 you have to move igabwa sa ukwana ondo stioro chipara bono chiko chiko baisatu you see regional balance ye bagon tebi tingore ta chipara Jones pionya kimbwata chipara sta mbeka samo na liararo renga chiabeire so let him relax bali ine yane nje nanye igorete nanda asitete by the way bantu mbale komenya umuntu akugura umucanga egali 15,000 osombera 20,000 umucanga over 20 plus 15 chiaba 35 bono buna boni gani mbwate project ya mache ngwagacha umuchama iguru
yes
angene pale iyo umuntu nareta umucanga ororo lakini bona hagosombera akanyugura antebi 20 nanda agasombera 20,000 epale iyi ninyebegete in the budget in the forward budget ngonyero sinde so that abantu baitu baitire it is in my mind.
Okay. Tikaturigereria cio jumbega kiagere feedback ro sabantu baitu ne ngencho murachambi yare lakini toroserie taraja kurua burangi gojibo sansa buongeso na buosero nincho indi mariko kurua chinse mochia burangi boss achana mambo mingi na hujafanya anything. I support Honorable Muracha inera ne biranga libya tarate bana kiakuru. Good evening Denny, say hi to waheshimiwa Muracha na Mairura. According to my ward bus Central, Muracha amejaribu sana, amebakisha kidogo na hiyo barabara ya Nyakanya imetengenezwa mpaka Nyoera. Mairura please, mimi nilikuwa mtu wa UDA lakini kama wakisi we have no benefits buna abagusi. Ambia boss asilale kwa utetezi wake asabagusi, but you happy with Kasongo Jafet Osoro akubolinga, are you happy with Kasongo Jafet Amon Osoro oyo Christopher Tandi Kuruburangi Kenyambi wete birangari byae ni konkuboli ya boss ukwane rigoro ye chimbara chibara ukwane rigoro ye para ya ria mosoti ria change kona tirarosi
kama idrona kwenye name because kona bona anyi nyamasivi tokietio ibare ya ria mosoti.
Yes.
Ria change ria nyata. I know the contractor is doing a excavation before the end of this week. That is a confirmation I have from him. Na tuara challenges here mbura nini.
Yes.
But already na public participation. I know it's a major road yabantu bakanyirite sana. But the good thing imba maite nagerona atebiri ndongo korugero ikekoro. There is nothing to promise that we get. The contractor is doing that road because he's the same guy you got bara chande chance. Ta ko ri muswati echinde. Ne bange ta karasa ngerete kuru akamanyinika kwa ndo kura. I can't question him. The only thing I want the akolipa and I have watched him because simbura ya asirire. I talked with him the other day ngamatena otare ko ndo cha ke bari excavation because naona matanga na arau people will have a challenge ko ikirona mubereka. Mwaka na yuzire tu mwaka 100 mwaka kuru Kenyanza. In that village ya Gekonge. So the promise I have, I know you will go to the site.
Okay.
Either tomorrow or on Tuesday akichelewa.
Okay. Morris Korua Rorgorian ga kiepara ya nyango zuteri turio kibeni nembe walai na bakari wote
para nira ri daraja nira babuli daraja kwambuka kurubongeso burangi yagenda burangi.
Yes.
Daraja hiyo I've given it 3 kurende in the forward budget 3 million.
Yes.
Daraja nere ya tuchandiri sana nikoro kumugote bridge nere ya tuchandiri twanyibekira chibesa. Daraja nere ya rose tukubone gake goche kwambuka yenda rikendo ere contractor ya cold amarabati kati koirani eligira baitire. What I'm only telling you is serikali yeyo muske Paul Simbarati na boss ya gotebi to ukwana gento kirio tari kunyara gukora nonye boss riri ari gutuchanda riri tangani I believe dinga bintu mbiri gochikokoru kulingana buna aroche lakini yakera nyak achakonyorange bintu biaye ebigokoru bitabugati en problem na kiuro jakirete taringa ga bekerwe spirit gete ngawi meyaye iganyorange bintu biaye biriata gete kuburia abantu bae ngokora bireki ngokorubire nege ntonkote yabantu bon naru yo kubori bono chi contractor njire chi tuchipara imbra for the last 2-3 months ya ture nyingi sana for sure contractor teko gende chi kole mepara.
Yes.
Na ande mbra kegendrete kutu enye sibi na monoli ya jinga bantu ba mintunga ki para mweshimiwa ka goteringa onyebe kire budget.
Yes.
Ne bwate chibes contractor ya iruri rube para njirendete yo ikero sigu. So we are urging our people na barabu ka kibato ali baga keiga no budget tiraere so that yonyo oli bintu ibi aire biya na barabu tubakorere gasi ya maskani ngia.
Okay.
I think that's a challenge to what Dennis una wa MCA. And by the mheshimiwa Muracha bantu ita bakubuka no toka kujibesa ondo korre para. That's another thing. Bija kwa kichaka kubeka no toka kwa authority yoko budget for the same amount of money. What the governor did here ngora mbekera maxi tena kire ward yanyo chibesa chirenga ine 27 million. No uikora bekera flagship project na kwa 30 million na inje nambe kire 10 million inye gitari. Ichitari gutobekera ni chia yakwamwa na what does he do and where and when. Abantu baito ngo bari impatient sometimes. Okonyora unabona uyubori he knows very well either he doesn't live at home and once or middle yetha ngona mumanya we have sat down and we kenyureki and the people came more than 400 kokora public participation watena baruzi metepara because they wameongojea hiyo barabara sana but rende na baba wananchi bare we encounter these challenges but the truth of the matter any promise na rule so long as there is a budget hiyo kazi lazima inatimika. Okay. Uno mheshimiwa tebe so long as umuntu airwe unabona umuntu ile Nyandusi Polytechnic amekawia sana but at the end of the day ataenda.
Okay.
At the end of the day ataenda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ninganjira niteri swali ngukubuli nanjire ndipuli ekyagera njire ndetyo ndari puli ima tenga 2027 ingalire lakini rende 2027 yito kwana na nyamati yange to kwana ina mangana 2027 karongo tema kuligereria semitandao yao all along nindo chabantu bakunya gukwanira igoro yao na nyari bari masaba for 2027 ekirweke kyo bwa MCA bwa Masimba ego abantu barorire nga ego kwagya otigiroire gosenayo kwate interest ogusuma abantu enjira gitega like plan kyo bwa for 2027
obia Dennis oende archives kana ari kuli chikura chiane chia 2022 na that ya bande promise mna moko ngo MCA ngokolibia mimi nitaenda kutafuta MP 2027. I told them that and I said this in 2018. I am a man with ambition. I can tell you without blinking. I don't really mimi 2027 natafuta kiti cha ubunge na mimi ndio nitakuwa mshindi na kura mingi sana. I told my friend Dr. Manduk to do his best. He's my very good friend and I supported him. As much as he arenge ODM, arenge UDM, mimi nilimsupport. Eriko una 101%. I gave him a challenge acha ateme kuma kumnyoka na governor. Era bulimo na gagobu aende 20 to 32 abo governor. But the honor he didn't take it seriously. He knows very well I'm in the race 2027. Right now I am supporting because Nero Muchumbe. Yes. Fanya ile kazi yake atafanya, mahali atafikisha. Mimi kama BMM nitashika hiyo kazi for 15 years. Alafu nikuje kutafuta ugavana.
Okay.
It is that serious.
Niko ready kuaraba nyirenga ngo ando 3 tamu ayo.
No, mimi hiyo nitaenda tamu 3.
Tamu 3.
Omaete nyaribali ito nebwate history. And I'm not divisive in any way.
Yes.
But where I come from at the center, into anako honje kirugiki.
Moke merereta mate kabisa.
For 50 years. So when I'm going to take it over, lazima nishikirie kweli for 15 years. And because you know I'm a man of the people, njuma deno mondo kona sabando all the time. All the time. None gona kujigura bando banda barote bana mumuru moko mwana magana arobia kuti but they are shocked I'm always in the village. Every time I'm in the village. Nothing you yori odire gastuka na muracha maybe Kisumu Mombasa. Wakati tunaenda mambo yetu ya serikali. But that's the truth. That's what I'm
27 kwa call consultation na bandu kabisa.
No worry. Don't worry.
2027 yumo jumbe unyariba ali masaba no
ni mimi ndashinda. I'm the next member of parliament. Ngo discourage abande bana go waste time.
Ninganyite njengo stimwambi kero kwa bero mujumbe.
Thank you.
I'll do it with all pride. Haigetembe Alex Nyangwe Sokuru South Mugirango koti chake. Kwani abashimiwa ba maroro round yo mugusibwensi na motore unabibiranga libia umweshimiwa murachago gukumira governor motebyara drainage chie town. Embulego tuwa mariba aichure town mo especially go chakira Aga Khan Hospital tirimbuke mpaka mate umoja elimu complex. Oyo kutomire mweshi.
I can authoritatively say that chipesa jia drainage chia bekiru na mache.
Yes.
Goros were in the town na chipare chia town. What we said tuwatebete abanta bange FS ya ito ye town. Nduanya chipesa in the current budget ya kendrete traera. I think the contract has been awarded. Yes. So that at least chipare chia town chibuata matobe Jones to chisiri. You see everybody nonya naye nubwata sokuru na inje nimbwata senkuru baus nabwata masimba sakuru lakini twensipi no gotonyora turaraia turi town gaiga. So we have decided inga chipara Jones chire town ngojibeka turi cabros as chibwenda kubi kuchirami chibeku so that a town ya ite face yarorokane to sababa ndo bali bwata chinyombe town bachi paint so that we bring the face of the town ebe face yengia na mache company ya Wasconero ya iruchibas chinyinge sana ngocha kabari go fix ya match so that ya match ta kutubule town yeah, so the governor is up to the task na ande motebi ngo ikinde richiwe riboni igororo erigere likore runerarore na colleagues.
Thank you very much. Muracha amefanya kazi safi sana, tano fresh eretara tebana kiakuruku. Hi boss, Mura kutoka Suguta Nyamache, tuigulire chiro ya Suguta.
Chiro ya Suguta.
No, Suguta.
In the forward budget, chiro ya Suguta eribuone. Na sabeto mu governor 8 million na ngeta chibesa. Buna tugo cha kumutie nyuna na ige chire ingu cha kere korosi so that by December tori Christmas chire ige koleteki. Keroro.
Okay. Bia sana manchumuligero nyamba nukutusangia igotore n'abaheshimiwa bengencho sana gaiga mheshimiwa Muracha Henry kurwa Basi Central yore boy kuma majority leader se county assembly ya Kisii umuske boss Mairura mu MCA umasimba na boygo umujumbo kanyerere nyari bali masaba gakimu MCA Muracha buya soko igure para ya Nyakona twasabiro tokonya machiri ya Kiora koseria Kiora timaiti koseria kwa
ria Kiora ga bumbone abuna abantu bane maete nonya nari gutaka kubika majoro aga bune gitunugoro para te yego chio mbono na igurite para ya igoiru ngobekiro morom maybe in the forward budget ye tugoja korosirende budget ya ne moerio will think along those lines tubakonya na baragwa maji because they deserve a match. Abuna abantu bane.
By the mheshimiwa abaheshimiwa mwensi kero tokonyore feedback bune yiga enere koroki the true reflection of une kibintu bira say ground ande kraba ntondo che chujumbe gojire chinyinge kiande giko gojire chinyinge ninga sitenchi minyoki yake Eric Makwara kurunya biosi Gesima Ward Nyamira County. Kindly bring our MCA Gesima Ward Mr. Nyamira. Tueleze ni nini amefanyia watu wa Gesima, otherwise you are doing a recommendable job. Thank you very much. Nyamira intue igotu aragirire tigwe. Aya mura aragiririwa. I'm Alfred Kenyansa. Let the two MCAs work for the community and maintain the base. Bia mono ningenda tukuligere chujumbe cheno. Abashima mwensi unanimously na rodirenga musikare nonyekare UDA kure ODM muganeti kabisa ngonye nuko bumugusi arangusira asense meyemo bali igurari baraba raibande barabo interest yabo na barabo Italia simu naso togoteba ibone korokinga krokende neba kongu ake konyora the common unity to kwanira. For example, nganjire ntumikumu muske mo chief whip goso muske mo treasurer mo jumbo kitutu cha Chinota Jafet barore kanire koteba nge serikali yiga yabone kurauna William Ruto yabaire achievements libata eteba konyera abantu babo kiagera onu mato sora akogotebi nganje tata moinoga igankura grande onde moinoga barikire ngamanya gutika kuruga kuragira ngiche ngiche mwenao ono mheshimiwa boss na kiura nyare mo convince no mwateba na gwateba nga buno keroche buna toko gende round yango cyo kumusira turamo na kiura nyare gwachiwe gendo kenga buneki na kitura nyare gwachiwe gendo
so ndiri ko nyara ko boss atari na indu
no ko boli tinate bantu ri ko nyara ego na bolia because mbura is a leader what maybe nda iraneri ya sana
ni mheshimiwa
Osorobon gani chifu ipare ya Kenya
serikali
ande chifu ipia serikali asa maskani ya manene onda sababa anto babuoye pa South Mugrango numugusi ntomo tebia ruwe serikali boniga because nere chifu ngo ikaransale no nyina se budget ira nyare kuri keregeso nkombori ore nangitura achieve kuruwe serikali as it is right now tutaragenda 2027 again tutuko basaba boniga na bubaro na bwabara ibaito bare serikali tigaba make sure ebintu byakorereke biachire egento gioka tukubasaba nonye bare serikali eyo mbabasa gukwana kuri omunobo baramu musike matiang barabutiga barete ebinto baratigana matiang kando mbamurama and I'm asking aba umuntu bunumukusi bonigana bubaro mate ntogotamana aro kuri serikali 20 pitote benga etokaganyeta serikali ere 2027 boniga tutame onya tutagete rutato egitiekyo
yes
kuika tutabio sorunga ayegendo te yumurayo getiyasune kange boneta gokoraki
korosigo
ngebweneta korosigo inere gasto bweneta kumutuma boniga genda kore egento gioka turabasabe bonsi pibali bare serikali boniga mbabasa kuramu musike matiange bara mutiganake ekiyuka bono na benga bono bunanje njende majority leader umuntu ande bindu aze simbarati boniga na bonda andrengo umuntu inkongoserale tigaranti kanake nusuru nere na bafireti the same
yes
where we are asking bali igurali tigango bas struggle bararete bintu e cancer center ya ite yerugoroga ige contractor ya etu na national government wagachakira na kwagacha no bisiyo mu governor headquarter ya ito the same in fact uri achagete mapema iyo mu governor tarachaka kwagacho lakini oge ndoro iyo mu governor ya jire chikoro bange isato ili bado ne chipira chikorete chiteniri we are asking umusko soro umuntu yo mu arete kuru Nairobi agacha tigango bagende chiobisi baburinga ki a cancer center will we achieve it in time
okay
that is the kind of work to wenda kutumana boni
okay
yes
and unalende on that though is not good to for us to discuss them but they have sensitive positions in the government let them maintain their pace but that of or without abusing omusi kerago chama mba base korokana nango rutabari biara uchiaze matiang use unity yitu konya kejeri let them focus in kintu tikatumente niga no toro buke no bore
okay
yeah they have no problem
Antonio jisa Messi verisa to igachio kando chichinsa na jori chinkwenda chikare bosi ga kipara kurwitundu bari enyancha egwa tolemera tosimeke chibando if these small roads defeats you what will happen when you are a member of parliament
egina
mochenge nyanja
egina odaina oino monto mia sana Felista lidani modena mukwanire na kuangi una kwani bare ye kururia mugakanya para ibere tiraera grading because the contractor left the site
yes
because of rains tirianga edo kuri mele immediately embure gakenyinge yoku lakini embure asire ngoira nara kore kintu kieke akora oyo ontegerete na Felista ontegerete na chaka na chipara chins chiari munchirabe kumoro
jabe kumoro
so let her wait ngiade tuzimeke parane airende parane ya bana itasi meka gendo
okay oyako
tebe kwa moro
okay dengi mheshimiwa kuirani ni Vincent Kurunyamware barabara ya Gioka dispensary haiko sawa hebu ieleze umeipangiaje ntamanyenga
igaumbua na mote maita bantu tigaba tegerera news boronge bakira pare iteringi ya by the way sare kitsan na agenda oronga nyirigiriria ega twakore supplementary ngasabo mu governor Chibesa
yes
agancha gankonya ntwanye bekera Chibesa chisa ino mu engineer chiroro nyirigireiri e contractor ya beira awarded rirube e wiki yegocha useyende mbureta tweti the contractor will be on site anyerosi n'abantu bari nabaraba feeling abakoreke echakirete gitare ekagenda Nyamware school etirimbuka yenda Nyamware Gioka dispensary na sinare rochari between Nyamware dispensary ne egentungerekere weather station kiagachororo babike kigitaba blog tie pariyo have engaged abantu ba blog tie kwerende iyo they have to remove kigitekyo erigere pari tunyagache tubike karabatiro rochari abantu baikenya gitari abande bambuka baenda gukwani chikazi ni cyabo Masige East gochiria mbase mumbu
hi cousins
sige pali iyo mbuye heaven
okay what is happening between you and your opponent Ogech himself is walinga kuboli kwa think ilinelia
umaito Ogech ne competitor yane ngoboli ali chikura uraburi chikura by the way for so long ne chikura kera umuntu akuboli umuntu kuru chikura indwe to n'abantu bakoraki bakuru chikura na Nyasaye na hero kubwatisi bono tarafanikiwa maybe aire chikura ntu abolite nele last time akanyora chikura 31 na inje nganyora china nyorete ngatangazo
au kanyora irenga kwa bwo
ona nyorete na 1100 almost 1900 and something
era kanyora
31
okay
bono improvement yuma eteka tiga ne takeire na kero ku improve by the musko yoge is a good friend of mine,
yes,
but what he does igen tungira akora juice getari Kongo kinande ngumusaba atika mangana mange umaite no nyoto kuboli chikura tiga tutware nkoro ya mwanya bantu iga imuka kagenda ari burangi kinyambiari umuntu narugwatie kogoto na magina you saw clip njire chia minyoka round iga and I confirmed na kwanete no muiburi oyo he had promised kubairana rijibase yesterday good Friday bakamutumira 100,000 bakamutumira 20 bakamuana ande 55,000 cash ari nyumba mwabo enyumba y'umuntu yani bwata mabati okorange egwerende ya umuriro bwogire mpake bwata umware nohoro musacha buri ukoliki chikura utagitugambira abantu ogokongonta chibese mesa igoro ukongaina abantu nganko barikerore obo prison umwana obo prison wono tari geti mwana oyo oyirire chibesa cy'umungino oyo mpaka agoteba tiganga besi umupasta ngonde terari ngechinde chisa nenkoe akito utware ngoro ya mwanya bantu rikopo wono nubuli chikura gukoibera abantu. So I'm only asking nande ngona I'm going to talk to the county commissioner na DCI unless bara bayibinere na kipatara mubwatira aira niri umuntu uri kibasi cyayo lakini ataraji kubwatu. I'm only asking him before amatukabira ataraera atatu aira niri umuntu uri kibasi uno muntu mutaka
okay
musa serikali yetekia tuwa yaye irigere umungino uri justice yakoreru nande nakike ngukani abantu butambe nonye ne county muntu tangaina muntu nga karuchi beso manye kuri kwegasi egasi onyo mwana ochire skuru boss nondebye banyagitari ngoja kuri kubali onyo mwana okuruma simba osomere to banyagitari oyetete ubwate certificate that person will be given egasi yaye for free chibesa cyo kara akane na masomali akane te skuru bone gato gojaga odayo muntu nga ngachibesa mayo kwa igasi. That is very bad.
Okay, chinera ninje muliginera na igunga kiako ya raigoro yengane yokurende
ngogo tomirande chiklibu echo I'll send you to your number you will see you will verify nya gutagete singinja no mwana kwirenda I'll give you muiburi oye ogende suguta police station no bari poteti muiburi oyi moyale no ale chiklibu buna koye guchibesa nyumba agochikongonta begete gobi no ale uri no muibi uri takubuli kura bantu bane mba kwanja kwa muibi kura.
Okay, abutindi komenta tindi korusi tigange tigere gabo mweshimiwa boss Mairura chinsa chiaire abantu baba masimba abangoro cyo kwarore na bali kire chi message gaga ati nsome yo mwali egoteba nga boss is doing a good work, we shall support him as a member of parliament 2027. David Karani brother kaka naona arora kare kurika maybe in 2 minutes kwana nabantu baba masimba kwana nabantu banyari bali masaba.
Thank you Dennis. Litanga nimbe mona aseri bageriga tigangente y'abantu bantu bamasimba na chira chiritu ariete chance kana ale kulichukura. I'm really trying to make sure na naikeranire na David by my 5 years in office ning-tem korenta eta fauti ene sana itani abantu bafiri babwatu mu MCA number 2 barore egasi mu MCA negenderete number 3 bafiri babwatu representation ilibasa neira matuka mange sana in matters to do with education, health, roads, mangana infrastructure na mangana mange ali mu MCA ganeri gukora, and I am glad I am really trying my best. Tegamba tembi yamona si support ba ndete konga abantu bane mbanga njete sana kento kende muraja nimete na bara verify we expect chichi basar around kera bana bakari chi after already check inchi endere kuriko because the case kiriki alenge 14 ntu abagaba ni baro cyo mu president na control budget mbai bwana nete control budget yakaruse kesi yakyo, so the county governments will issue their last bursary ose baka go mutunduru
I think
it's the last. I think it's the last. The battle mehena vera. So before the end of the month, ya wana wache after check in chikare ndo gwensi okwe form ya Kisii County mostly igakonyora e basel. About 2027 hiyo ni ya Mungu. Me am an ambitious guy. I am an ambitious young man. Obugate dreaming here for the people of Nyariwari, and because Koligijukura is a democratic right. I will be vying for member of parliament without relenting, because I promised them and I have a vision.
Okay.
Yeah. The same way my current member of parliament is ambitious kwa governor, CS. He has ambitions. Karangete ko cha siasa t-shirt chindani ya printed ni chuba governor. Until boni ganjire binyoro. And I encourage him. That is a good ambition. Asante.
Okay. Biamona sana. Mheshimiwa Muracha, muraibwa barabange ase bunge ya county ya Kisii. Wana ngona bantu ba Babasi Central asamangana mengi egere tukore.
Oko ngaribaga ngirandia bantu bane Babasi Central biamona asogonchora nanda asokonga respect ye chikura. Bangete maite na chole 2013. Awada yikimbwa miaka 21. Waka 2022 wakaroro muntu yo maybe tarakoraga asingia. Ekabanga tosanera mukamuro tarakorora. Nandi bakachikupima uyo ochete within 2022 mpaka 2017 mpaka 2022. Ekene bakakombe bakanyora nandi nina kolete gas kubwo uyonde. Bakanga nanda maskani yogo bumurayo. I promise them that I'll do my best to make sure na bakoreire gasieli wa interested in bakorere. Urabona mbande betimbaga achirinya gitari ya mache. I'll make sure mbakorere gasi yabo bangete na maskani na ande gente kenene maskani yabo yetchibes. I'll always work for my people. Ndariko bachanda kendi yons erigere tuske mutu no muske boss nere ngomo tebitabe tata bangarazima bulie obujumbe nonyo batebe 2018. You know umuntu ta change no uri otanyare ukore kwene umuntu muyare ngongo nyara simple sana as bills iko ninje mwebereri na manduku matenere no musani one ninje mwebereri motenga tara asmisa ngarasma change abo toko gendera ini nande tunya gukorera bantu iga muntu wacho no nyankabire kwa manyuga cia ungakire goko gendo bujumbe kuchimuino iga kwanyora mbiyuri iko ninje mwebereri motenga kara kanyankoro yendo kyo mweri ntebya bantu baminto be county ya Kisii umugavana ito e budget iri mutu style to begete binto style to pangete nyasanje bigende kulingana buna to pangete our county will shine. What I'm only asking abantu baminto bato echingaki ekara bato ire chingaki ngocha katole public participation bato tabi binto biri batagete we have no need abantu baito batagete chipara amache amaliyo gato kichinya gitari bono bono chinya gitari cheito chinyinge boniga oko gende nasieroro yakurigiriri na maiso iga yakurigiriri gusinorwarite yaroranga maybe mareri okorete kwere umugavana it has taken time otoire chibesa in the forward budget to be equipment at least umungi no genda riburangi gusebwona itumbe gusenya mware gusenya gitari iri ane yakigochi itumbe yani yakigochi tibonge ogendo rupimwe urwaire bwarorokana ohewe riogo ore mangango bwena akoreteki ngobwenare abantu baminto no toramu aliandonsi baratake kuburi na yantansa gaiga obisiana ari maji mazuri negoire gochakira Monday mpaka Friday gochakira saa 2 mpaka saa 11 bagendoro batoya maoni na muntu tawo bagocha kur maoni nga muntu igosena mwakirete kura obisia karumo MC achoriru wono turi gutwara ngoyo tangakirete uyo nangakirete abantu bali bonse nabane na wahitaji tuonge tusongeshe wodi yetu mbele yasaba sini
akuru kunga Honorable Henry Muracha Majority Leader Kisii County Assembly na boigo umheshimiwa Boss Mairura omwe Masimba na bwa bageni na bwate asiri tukeriga ali yarero biamono sana mwancho mu ligerio Getsembe TV asogosangana incho mu rubiri bwegekaro litukeriga mpaka nende weekend chinsa bune chiarero koroko authentic Dennis Oulu.
Superstores Nero eduka asorgo nguriga rwa South Nyanza ya Nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mill